transporting time is urgent today. I have to go faster. Help! Help! I heard someone is screaming. Let's check it. Climb up the riverbank. Oh, transporter fell into the river. Let's pull it up now. Come on, come on. Transporter is up. Excavator, help me to go across the river. I'll take a look. The river is not deep. We can build a wooden bridge. Timber truck, pull the wood over here. Got! Hook the wood to build the bridge. Put the first wood here. Hammer it into the ground. Hook the second one. Turn around. Be careful. Don't get hurt. Hammer it down. Hook the thickest one. Turn around. Put it right here. Look, my friends, the wooden bridge is built. My task is done. Let me check the wooden bridge. Good, it's sturdy enough. Transporter, you can go now. Okay, thank you. Don't worry, the bridge is sturdy. I'm transporting dangerous oil drums. Oh no! The car is on fire! Go and put it out! Help! Help! Somebody help me! I need to get the injured back to the hospital. What about the crash car? Wrecker, I need your help here. Let me get the crash car out of here. All right, Wrecker, you tow it away. Wrecker, you back up a little bit. I'll get rid of the elephant. Elephant, elephant, please get out of the way. Wrecker, the elephant runs away.
Oh no!
Oh no! Bulldozer was blown apart by a tornado. Help! Help! Who will help me? You see, the wheels are missing. We need to find the wheels first. Look, here it is. And then go back to get the second wheel. There was one last wheel left. Where will it be? Oh, I saw it. It was buried under the mud. Put this wheel on the car too. Transporter, you take the tires back to the repair shop first. Trailer, I need your help. We moved Bulldozer to the carriage. Trailer, please take Bulldozer back to the repair shop. No problem. Start digging. The carriage is full and ready to go. Somebody help me! Don't worry, we're here to save you! We have to lift Excavator before we can save people. Rescue's done. We need to get back to the hospital. The animals are being transported to the farm today. The animals are all loaded. Let's go! Drive carefully. Yikes! Yikes! Help! Help! Huh? Someone yelled for help. I have to take a look. Take the injured back to hospital for treatment. Huh? Why did the UTV flip over? I'll drive down and have a look. Right, UTV first. Oh no! UTV is broken! Transporter, get over here and help! Now load UTV onto carriage. Here we go, transporter. Take it to the repair factory. I'm gonna follow too. Let's unload UTV. The repair is done. Can we see if we can start? Start on success. Load wood on the carriage. Hook the wood up. Carry it to the carriage. Load it on the carriage. I want to go to the bathroom. Hey! The driver walked away. Nobody around here. I want to steal transporter. Transporter is not full yet.
Bye.
Oh no! My car! Tank! Fire to stop it! Got! It goes away! Hello? My car has been stolen. Okay, we're going after it. Thief, stand! Hey, can you catch me? I'll stop him at the intersection. No, there's a police car ahead. Oh no! Police car is overturned. Don't worry, I help you. Excavator, block the thief ahead. Got it. I'll go right now. Keep chasing him.
Bye.
I stop here to block the thief. Huh! Excavator is here! Uh-oh! Thief, you have nowhere to go! Come here! All right! I'll take the thief back to the police station. Today we will plant crops. After the land is prepared, it is time to start sowing seeds. I will sow the seeds. Look, the seeds have been planted. The next step is to wait for it to grow slowly. Ooh, crops are all ripe. Let's start harvesting. Bulldozer, you should come to help harvest too. bulldozer. I'm going to continue loading. A flying dragon landed on the mound. Hopefully, I got back fast, or I would have been on fire. Transporter, get out of the way! Well, we need to find a way to get rid of the flying dragon. Oh, look! The bucket is on fire! Thanks for transporters putting out the fire. The flying dragon is too scary to confront it. What else can be done to get rid of the dragon? Huh? There are so many stones on the ground. Yeah! I hit the dragon! You see, I'm going to move this lumber today. Start loading. Huh? Listen! What is that noise? Oh, it's an elephant! Turn off Excavator quickly! Don't scare the elephant! Whew, the elephant is gone at last. Did you hear that? What's the noise this time? Oh no! It's a tiger! Shh! We can't let the tiger find us. Ah! Tiger, tiger, get out of here! The tiger is gone at last. You see, the lumber is loaded into the carriage and ready to go. Oh no! I fell into a pit of dirt. Oh, I'm stuck in here. Hello? I need the rescue of Excavator. Okay, I'll on my way now. Guys, see how deep UTV is stuck. Now, the car is too heavy. Let the animals off first. Yeah, pulled out UTV. What about the pit left there? Bulldozer, give me a hand here. After my unremitting efforts, the pit was finally filled. The next step is to press down the soil. You see, I repaired the road.